how to change Viber number. Hello and welcome to Quick Guide. I'm back with a new quick and easy tutorial video on how you can change your number on Viber. For that, you'll have to open your Viber application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once logged in, you will reach to this interface. Here at the bottom right corner, you will find More tab. Click on that icon to access the new page, and from this page, here select Settings option. Once you click on the settings, you will be taken to the settings menu. Now here click on Account option at the top. Once you click on it, there you will find Change phone number option. Once you find it, tap on it. Now here click on Continue to proceed. If you want to add a new number, you can click on this Continue button on the first, and if you want to add a new phone number and a new device, then click on this Continue button at the second. Choose the one based on your preference. Once you have chosen it, again click on this Continue button to proceed. It says all the Viber users that have your number saved in their address book will receive a notification that your number has changed. If you agree with that, click on this Continue button and now enter your country code and a new phone number. Make sure it's a number you have access to and can receive SMS or calls. Click on this Continue button to proceed. Then click on this Yes button. Now you will receive a verification code to your new number. Enter this code when prompted to verify your new number. Once the verification is successful, your Viber account will be associated with a new phone number, and it will inform your contacts about the change so that they can recognize your new number in their contact list. If you want, you may also update your Viber profile information such as name and profile picture to reflect any changes. So that's it. In this way, you can change your Viber number. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.